Let's make fajitas in the air fryer, y'all! You have plenty of time to prep the veggies while you press your tofu in the Easy Tofu Press. After pressing, pull the tofu into bite-sized pieces and drop them into a large bowl. Now it's time to make the marinade. In a small bowl, combine olive oil, apple cider vinegar, cornstarch, salt, and spices, and whisk those together until they're well combined. Now pour that flavorful fajita seasoning all over your tofu and mix it in really well. Marinate the tofu for at least 10 minutes and then transfer it to your air fryer basket. Air fry your tofu at 400 for 5 minutes. In that same bowl, add sliced red onion and bell peppers. Drizzle on some olive oil and sprinkle on some salt and mix that all together. Now transfer those veggies to the air fryer basket with the tofu and cook it at 400 for 15 more minutes. Dish up these flavorful tofu fajitas with whatever toppings you like. I'm serving mine up with guacamole, vegan sour cream, and salsa. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make tofu fajitas in the air fryer. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!